What's better than a Boeing 747-200? Well, Boeing 747-200 in the middle of nowhere. Here we are at Amart Garden in Nakhon Pathom, Thailand, and as you can see, Boeing 747-200, former Orient Thai Airways. The last flight that this very aircraft flew was of the year 2017. That's roughly 4 years ago. But look at the plane itself. It looks so nice. It still is gigantic. This is just the 200 version. How much more for the 400, the 800 version? Unfortunately, we cannot come in. I mean, there's a staircase at the back of the left wing that leads us to the wing surface, of course. And, well, there's an emergency door right there. And I'm too scared to get in. I mean, I can't open the door. Well, given the experience that I got working at the airport before, and of course, knowledge about aviation. But, well, my gut says no. So let's just stay here outside and enjoy the view. Look, I'm not a Boeing fan, and I'm not a fan of Boeing 747s either. However, standing right next to this thing of beauty really gives me this amazing feeling. One thing that I have noticed is the KCF logo on the tail of the aircraft. Well, I assume that it has been bought by KCF Farms, and they have, well, assembled it here inside their property. It's getting dark and I'm a bit hungry. So that's enough for today. That's all for today here in Amart Garden, and I'll see you guys on my next trip.